Our brains often trick us. We think we see clearly, but this is not always true. Our minds make many mistakes. We believe we are very logical. However, our choices can be flawed. This can be a big surprise. Our brains have little quirks. These quirks affect our daily thinking. It's quite interesting to learn about. Our brains are very powerful. They process so much information. To do this, they use shortcuts. These shortcuts help us a lot. They help us decide things fast. But sometimes shortcuts lead to errors. These errors are not just random. They follow certain known patterns. We call these thinking patterns biases. They happen more than we think. Think about a time you felt sure, you were certain about something. Then you found out you were wrong. This happens to all of us. It is not about being smart. It is just how human brains work. Our brains want us to survive. Survival can mean thinking quickly, not always thinking perfectly. This can lead to some funny results. These mental tricks are often hidden. We do not see them happening. They quietly influence our choices. They also shape what we believe. They can even affect our friends and our relationships with people. Understanding them is the first step. It is like learning game rules, a game our mind plays daily. Knowing this can really help us. So, what are cognitive biases? They are systematic thinking errors. That sounds a bit complex. Let's make it much simpler. They are like mental glitches. These glitches make us think illogically. They are predictable errors. They happen to almost everyone. No one is completely immune. Our brain's code has them. Imagine your brain is a computer, a very busy, fast computer. It processes lots of data. Every single second of the day it uses heuristics or shortcuts. These help manage the huge load. Biases are often side effects of these helpful shortcuts. They are not always a bad thing, but they can lead to poor decisions. These biases are not a sign of low intelligence. They are just part of being human. They are deep in our thinking. They develop from many things. Our past experiences shape them. Our culture also plays a big role. Even our biology contributes too. Knowing this helps us understand ourselves. It helps us see our choices. These shortcuts help us navigate. They help us in a complex world. Without them, we would be slow. We would be overwhelmed by information. Making decisions would be very hard. Imagine picking your daily breakfast, analyzing every single food option. It would take far too much time. Biases simplify these daily tasks, but simplification can miss key details. Let's look at some common biases. One is called confirmation bias. This is our tendency to seek. We look for information we like, information that confirms our beliefs. We often ignore other information that challenges what we think. If you like a sports team, you mostly notice their good plays. You might forget their bad plays. Another common bias